spectacular performance to another, we proudly bring you the much anticipated highlight of this evening. Our next performer is the 2008 Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2 Grand Star, a Gold Record Award winner, and multi-medalist at the World Championships of the Performing Arts. Her extraordinary vocal power and commanding stage presence continue to captivate audiences both here and abroad.
And to serenade us with songs entitled That's What Friends Are For, I Will Always Love You, What's Up, Nandito Ako, and Golden. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Ethereal Team